Ngizwa bengibiza ngomntomnyama, ngimnyama mina, ngimnyama ngifuza ubaba.
The Zululand District Municipality is in the process of installing prepaid water meters across the customer base. This video will explain everything about the meter and how it all works. An installer will be in touch with you to make an appointment to install your meter. Please be available on the day arranged. Your installer will also go through this with you. The meter consists of two parts, the actual meter as well as the keypad. The meter will be installed on your property, replacing the existing municipal meter that you have. You will also receive a handheld keypad. The keypad is primarily used to load tokens onto your meter and to check your balance. Please note that if you run out of credit on your meter, the valve on the meter will close and water will be disconnected until you top your meter up again. For those of you who receive sanitation services from the municipality, there will be the regular monthly sanitation charge of R184 added to your prepaid meter each month. This amount will come off the first prepaid purchase of the month before you receive actual tokens. In other words, if your first purchase for the month is R200, you will receive a receipt for the sanitation payment of R184 and a water token for R16. Tokens can be bought using your regular banking app. Please note some banking apps sell prepaid water under the prepaid electricity menu. Tokens can also be bought at a variety of retail stores, such as Spar, Pick n Pay, and most petrol stations. These recharge points are increasing all the time, so please check with your installer or municipal official. Alternatively, you can do a direct EFT transaction to one of the accounts shown here, and you will receive your token immediately via SMS. Please note it is very important to use your correct meter number whenever you purchase, as tokens bought for the wrong meter cannot be refunded. Please be close to the meter when using the keypad. Once you have purchased and received your 20-digit token number, wake the keypad up by pressing Enter. Then press 1 and then press Enter again. Enter your token number purchased and then press Enter. The keypad will then connect to your meter and top it up. Wake the keypad up by pressing the Enter button. Press 1 and then Enter. The keypad will connect to your meter to refresh the credit balance displayed on your keypad. Please note, when you run out of credit, the valve closes on the meter. Please do not tamper with the meter. If it is found that tampering has occurred, you will be charged a fee of R6,500 by the municipality. Should you damage or lose your keypad, please contact the municipality to order a new one. Each keypad costs R1,200. Should you need any assistance, please contact us on 072 240 0178 or visit our website at the address shown here.